Yes, sir.
Okay. Why did you bring it here? Why are you here?
I'm here because I'm a prosecutor of killing the son of Admiral.
Okay. How did you commit this act?
Yes, he want to go outside and he say I should follow him for security reasons. 11:30. So when I follow him, he stops trying to check something like ATM in his car. Then I come out to the other door, I shoot him.
Why did the police get to that?
They arrested me with the car. Yes, sir.
So why did you kill the person?
I killed him because to carry the car and sell.
Was it bad to you, or was he a good boss to you or a bad person to you?
No, sir. Me and him will never come across of anything. This is the first time. We were always just greeting each other. Hi.
So when did this stuff happen? When did it happen?
It happened last upper week Sunday. It's on the 18th.
How did you get caught? Why?
I used that security gun. Yes, sir. Sir? I'm another personnel. I'm a seaman.
It's Obike Onyi.
Okay, so
I'm 39.
okay, 39. So why were you brought here? Why were you brought
I was arrested because I did ATM card swap.
So can you explain to us how you did that?
Normally we go to gallery, where ATM gallery, if we should meet who does not know how to operate the ATM, we'll put it on cardless and ask the person to slot the card. And once the person slot the card, we'll ask the person to put his PIN or her PIN. When we see it on the screen, we'll cram it on our head, then we'll press proceed. It will either show you unable to complete or transaction cancelled. We will now tell the person that the card has been swallowed, they should rush to the security. And when the person rushes to the security, we will eject the card and leave with it.
Okay, like how long have you been doing this and how many
Operation have you carried here? Have fallen victims?
It's now up to 6 months, I think 5 months with some more, and I think work I've done might be up to like 10 or so.
From these operations, how much have you been able to get?
What I've gotten so far, I know it might be around within the range of 600 to 700,000.
your name, sir?
My name is Onyi Obike.
Onyi.
Obike.